Ugh. Maybe butterfly locks is not for me. I'm to the point where I honestly just want someone to do my hair.
Oh, why don't you stay? I know it's late, but I'm feeling great, and you feel the same. So why don't you stay? I need you to stay.
Rush here, or Angel, whatever works best for you. And if you haven't yet, go down there and hit that subscribe button. And we're back. There's a lot going on in the bathroom. We are getting the carpets cleaned tomorrow, so that is why we are stuffing anything where there is no carpet. Okay, got it. So I'm going to make this a series called Pandemic Hair Chronicles. During this pandemic, I know I'm not alone, but we've all been learning to try to do our own hair because all we got is time, y'all. And I have done box braids. I have done these weird twists that I did that I hated, actually. So my hair looks a mess right now. I deep conditioned it last night and I sectioned it. Not really, but I want to do butterfly locks. I've been seeing this everywhere, and I know y'all have been seeing them everywhere too. So I went and I bought 7 packs of 1B Free Trust Water Wave Hair, and I'm going to start. It is literally almost 1 a.m. right now. I just had all homework to do, and this hair, I'm counting on it to look good. Why? My birthday is this weekend, so if this hair turns out bad, my birthday hair is gonna look garbage. So we are really trying to put in all our effort in this. I am so terrified. I honestly should have just paid someone to do this hair for me, but it is what it is. We're gonna try it and we're gonna do it. As you can see, my hair looks a little cray. Hopefully by the end of this video it won't look cray, but for the most part it seems pretty easy. It just seems like you just wrap it, and I feel like a lot of it is just making sure your parting is right. So I'm hoping I can at least get like the bottom half of my hair done today, and then tomorrow I have a paper due. I had 2 assignments due today, which is why I couldn't do them today. I've been looking crazy, so I don't want to look too crazy for y'all. Guys, I'm starting to get just so nervous because I don't want these to look bad. I just took a break to do and get all this figured out. So I did 3 of these back here. I don't know if you guys can see them. I use this jam gel that I love. It smells so good. This is the one I use, the orange one. So I am going to take this hair, take 2 of these. I'm going to actually start pulling these apart. How do you pull these apart without messing them up? I actually, see? Guys, see? I tangled it already. I actually love Free Trust hair a lot. I've used many of their different styles of hair and I love their hair. I just love the curl that their hair gives. Honestly, learning how to do your own hair is so satisfying. I'm just saying. We're just gonna put the end and pull. It's through. Look at her go. I sure did that. So the thing with this hair is it's so long, but I only want it to be like shoulder length. So this might look stupid. Anyway. So we take one piece and the other piece is like this. So about 2 or 3 times. We want it secured at the root. 1. I'm going to my 2, 3. Wrap it around. I think the thumb method is what usually people do. Is this thumb method? Oh God. I don't like how that looks. Can you guys see? I'm just wrapping it around, and if I don't like how it looks, I'm going back in and I'm going to pull it out. Now twist it up, and I think now we're going to do like the thumb method. Let's see how that works. Sorry I'm not looking at you guys. I'm busy, clearly, but I still love y'all. Yeah, it looks... It's cute, but it's not cute enough. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna try to do the thumb method.
Later.
How are you guys feeling this? This is the one. I guess it's not horrible, but I think it's gonna unravel anytime now. Anyway, we're gonna try to do a couple more. And see how it works. Okay, so this is the new one. I fixed it a little bit. I have to remind myself that it's okay for it to be messy. That's how it's supposed to be. So this is how it was before, and this is now. It's a little thinner, as you can see. I learned how to do the thumb method, so that's what we're playing with right now. And I'm playing with kind of pulling them apart a little bit and bringing the loops out a little more, because when I had to go back up, we kind of lost those loops a little bit. So I like installing the loops first and then going around with the other hair. So I think we got how I want them to look. We're gonna take this one out. I have this one in here, and what time is it? Then I think we're gonna call it a night. I'm glad we played around with it, got to figure out what it's like. First, I gotta remove this hair. Okay, I think we're gonna pull it down a bit more. I give up, we aren't gonna give up. Look at this hole that I did. Like, ugh, I made it too loose.
Recognized until you hit that brick wall of like, oh, so you just don't recognize shit.
Yeah. Okay, so this is what we got right now. I'm to the point where I honestly just want someone to do my hair. I don't know if I'm being too hard on myself or what, but I'm kind of just over it. Like, ugh. Okay, I think I'm going to bed, but I think practice makes perfect. This is my first one. This is my second one, and this is my third one, and I really like the third one a lot. Like, I love this. This is kind of what I want, and it's loose. This one's a little stiff, and then this one's a little stiff as well. It's a bit of a mess, so I'm not gonna turn around. Now I have to think if I want this on my whole head, but this is what we're working with right now. I could do the other portion of the hair, but I really don't want to. I've kind of given up for the rest of the day. I don't know how I'm feeling. Maybe butterfly locks is not for me, but I'm getting better as I go, so maybe I shouldn't give up. I'm going to try to do this tomorrow and hopefully succeed. But as of now, this is what we got, and we are kind of hating it.
Tomorrow.
Okay, I look crazy, ignore. Look. I love them. I'm starting to realize that there's no perfection in this. It's really just supposed to be messy, and you're just supposed to have fun with it. So I love how they look now that I stopped worrying about them looking so perfect and exactly like the pictures. They just look cute and distressed. Hella distressed.
2 hours later.
Progress so far. Guys, like, I don't think you understand how much I love this hair. I love it. You guys, doing this style is so annoying because I am like a perfectionist in some ways. In a lot of ways, I'm very principled and perfectionist. Principled, as my dad likes to say. So my struggle was that they weren't looking perfect. And what I had to keep reminding myself about this hairstyle is it's not gonna look perfect. There's nothing like perfect about this hair. It's supposed to look distressed and messy, and after I let that out the way and I just let my hair keep developing, that's really when I starting to appreciate the locks. Okay, and I love how short it is. It's super lightweight and cute. It just looks like I look like a kid. 22, here we come. This is how we're ringing in 22, y'all. I've been getting faster, but it takes me a hot minute to detangle this hair and everything and then wrap it up. So, be ready. We're done. This is the face. How do you guys, or the hair, how do you guys like it? I don't know if these are the butterfly locks that you guys like, but I'm in love. I'm in love. And I love the little like pieces that are sticking out of some hair. One note I want to make for everyone who is going to do butterfly locks is there's no such thing as perfect. Don't go in with a specific vision because you most likely aren't going to get that vision. Butterfly locks are supposed to be messy and just messy locks. And I am so happy with how they look. I am so I'm so proud. Now I just need to figure out how I'm gonna sleep with these. I don't know, I'm scared to sleep with them. I'm definitely gonna have to like put them down like this and sleep with them. But I love them, I think I look so cute. Also, I should mention this hair took, for me, about 6 or 7 hours. I know that's crazy, but I think a lot of it has to do with, at the beginning, I was so set on making it perfect. And then when I stopped thinking about it being so perfect, everything else was a little more natural and calm, you know? Okay. Just want to let you guys know. My forehead is out a lot, so this middle part is a lot, and my forehead is literally, it's a forehead, it's not a 5 head, but it looks big in this camera. Hello. And it's short and lightweight, and I'm here for it. I bought 7 packs of hair, and I almost used 4. I have this much left. of the 1-pack, and I wouldn't have finished that 4th pack at all. Also, what I also want to note, if you have some hair that's like a little, if you want your thing to be like tighter or something, you can get like a strand of hair and wrap it around. So you can do whatever you want. I feel like the technique is just what works for everyone. I watched a million tutorials and my hair does not look like the same as any of the other girls. But I love how it looks. It looks full, it's short, it's tucked in, and it's beautiful. Like, I love it so much. It looks stunning. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching another pandemic hair chronicles. What hairstyle should I do next? I will be vlogging my whole weekend coming up because it's my birthday weekend and I'm gonna be vlogging it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video again. I can't stop checking myself out. She cute or whatever. Thank you guys so much for watching again. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. I love you guys so much. Let me know what hairstyles you have done during the pandemic or the quarantine, if you have done any, or if you haven't, why not? If you got time, why not learn something? Remember to be humble and always remember, self-love is the best love, and it's not goodbye, it's see you later. Now I'm about to go. I have about 2 hours to finish this English essay, so I'm gonna go do that now. Oh, my back is killing me. Bye guys.
Showed your time. Still getting closer to my dreams. Look, excuse me as I take a step closer to my dreams.